Fucking Sox won. Sox won. Sox won. Guess who went to the game last night? Boston Jim went to the World Series and the Red Sox won.
Yeah! World Series!
I don't even remember getting to work today. I honestly don't think I've drank water in like 42 hours. Let me know if you're a Sox fan and watch the game. If not, say hello to your mother for me. Alright, we did a video this weekend. It was the Sony XAV-AX200. Am I too close? That's too close. That's way too close. It's got like Apple Carplay, Waze, Android Auto, like that, Google Maps. It's bad. Check out the video. Oh my god, I've already taken like 4 today. Despite being blackout drunk, we're gonna do some top comments. Alright, what do we got here? Aldo. Which one will you choose between Pioneer AVH2440 Next and Sony XAV-AX200 and why? Aldo, I choose neither because I choose your mother. Say hello to her for me. Roy Jimenez, I'm running a 4-gauge with 120 amp fuse to a Rockford Fosgate Prime 500 to an Alpine Type R. Roy, no one gives a f***. Mario Cortez, amazing job, I'm inspired. That's exactly what your mother said. Alejandro Sanz, do you think you can make mirror only with USB female to female? I'd like to USB female to female. I'll ask your mother if she knows anybody. On a Kicker CXA amplifier, Benny Blanco 14, I can get a Zapco 800 watt amp for the price you were asking for this whack amp. You selling people false dreams. Also on the same video. Bro, this amp won't do 1200 watts. Why the f*** are you saying that? That's the reason why some people burn up their systems, because they think they are getting those numbers. Benny, first of all, we don't make the amplifiers. We just sell them. Every company sells all the products basically the same price. Someone sets the market, and then we match it. We're a business. We gotta make a profit. Can't buy an amplifier for 180 bucks and sell it to you for $50 just because we're good guys. Just go home, rub yourself in peanut butter, and cuddle your Zapco amplifier all night. No one's gonna stop you from doing that, alright? I hope you guys have a wonderful life together. Galen, please review the AX1000. Why don't you review the AX1000, Galen? Alright, that's it for this World Series edition of Top Comments from Boston Jim. Make sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave your comments below. Like the video if you enjoyed it. And say hello to your mother for me. Thanks for watching.